These are the 4 strategies you can actually implement today for you to avoid overpaying for that your next house you want to buy. Number 1 is that zero emotion. You see, when you're buying a property and you're putting too much emotion into it, you have a higher tendency of overpaying for that house. Number 2 is to actually define what you want, because when you know what you want, everything that is coming across to you or you are coming across to, if they are not what you want, you're going to easily discard them and move on with what you want. Number 3 is to have a rockstar real estate agent like myself behind you to guide you through the process and actually negotiate really hard for you. And the last one is that what? Days on the market. You see, the longer the properties stay on the market, the more likely the sellers are motivated to accept a lower offer. So what does this mean to you? You should be looking at property that has been on the market for more than 30 days. They are actually a good sign that you might be able to make a deal happen. And if you want to make a deal happen, reach out to me and I would love to help you today.